Last Wednesday, while I, a 29-year-old guy, was scrubbing dishes, my fiancée, Sarah, 27, threw out the most audacious claim I'd ever heard in our 3-year relationship. We were bickering over her dropping $1,200 on a luxury purse when we were supposed to be saving for our wedding. Typical couple spat, right? Nope. She smacked her freshly manicured hand on the counter and declared, "You know what, Noah? I could swap you out in 24 hours. Flat out. There's a line of guys begging for me to be single. You're lucky I even picked you." I stopped scrubbing, turned off the faucet, and dried my hands deliberately. "Prove it," I said. She let out that sharp, mean girl chuckle she used when she thought she'd won. "What?" she scoffed. "You said 24 hours. Prove it. We're done." Clock's ticking. I glanced at my phone. 7:23 p.m. Wednesday. Her face cycled through a half-dozen emotions. Confusion, amusement, fury. Then this smug certainty that cemented my choice. "You're bluffing," she sneered. "You wouldn't dare leave me. You can't even pick out matching socks without my help." I headed to our bedroom and started packing. She trailed me, rattling off reasons I'd crash and burn without her. "You don't even know the Hulu password. Your dad likes me more than you. Good luck finding anyone who looks like me. I'm the reason you got that raise. You're nothing without me." That last jab made me pause, not because it stung, but because I realized she truly believed it. I packed in under an hour. 3 years and all my essentials fit into 2 duffels and a backpack. While Sarah rambled, I texted my friend Marcus, asking if I could crash at his place. But here's where things get wild. As I was leaving, my phone pinged. It was Lauren, Sarah's best friend, the one Sarah always called her unattainable model friend, because she was supposedly too gorgeous for regular guys and only dated tycoons or pro athletes. Lauren texted, "Heard you're single now. Sarah's already posting about it. You good?" "Yeah, heading to Marcus's. She gave me 24 hours to be replaced. Come to my place instead, Noah. We need to talk." Now, Lauren and I had always gotten along. She'd introduced me to Sarah 3 years ago at her birthday bash. But Sarah had made it crystal clear that Lauren was off limits, even as a friend. A red flag I'd brushed off, obviously. I arrived at Lauren's place by 9 p.m. She opened the door in pajamas and a messy ponytail, far from the polished Instagram star Sarah always flaunted. "Before you say anything," she began, "I need to confess something I should have told you 2 years ago." She pulled up a text thread with Sarah from 2022. My gut sank. Sarah had written, "Noah's getting too cozy. Thinking about swinging to that accountant from my yoga class." Lauren replied, "That's messed up, Sarah. Noah's solid." Sarah shot back, "Solid doesn't buy Maldives vacations, babe. He's fine for now until I find better. Already got myself on his visa as an authorized user." There were dozens more texts, schemes to upgrade me, jabs at my income, screenshots of her secret Bumble profile, and chats about some guy named Travis she was keeping on standby. "Why didn't you tell me?" I asked. Lauren looked genuinely remorseful. "I tried. Remember that dinner when I kept saying you deserved someone who valued you?" Sarah threatened to spread lies that I'd been a call girl in college if I spilled. It's not true, but she had fake proof ready. Then she dropped a bombshell. "I've been in love with you since that birthday party, but I set you up with her because I thought she'd be better for you. I'm such a fool." Update 1. The 24-hour deadline passed, and wow, what a show. First, Lauren and I didn't rush into anything. She let me stay in her guest room, and we talked until 4 a.m. about everything. She showed me her private journal entries with her okay, about watching me with Sarah for 3 years. It was gut-wrenching and beautiful. Meanwhile, Sarah's replacement race was pure chaos. Hours 1 to 3. She posted a flirty Instagram pic captioned, "Single and ready to upgrade. Accepting applications." It racked up 200+ likes and 50 DMs from random guys. Hours 4 to 6. She hit 3 bars, posting sloppy stories. "Where are all the real men?" Lauren was sending me screenshots and we were cracking up, though it was honestly kind of sad. Hours 7 to 12. She matched with 30+ guys on apps, posting screenshots to flex her options. Hours 13 to 16. She brought home some dude named Derek who looked like he peddled energy drinks from his pickup. Posted a story of his back with upgrade secured. Hours 17 to 20. Derek bailed. Sarah posted and deleted a teary selfie, then shared "Know Your Worth, Queens." Hours 21 to 24. Full meltdown. She texted me from 3 different numbers. I kept blocking them. Messages went from "I won, you're replaced" to "Can we talk?" to "This isn't what I meant." At 7:24 p.m. Thursday, Lauren posted a photo of us eating sushi, just as friends. Caption, "Great company." My phone blew up. Sarah called Lauren, screaming. Lauren put her on speaker. "You traitorous snake. He's mine." Lauren replied, "You dumped him, Sarah. We're just eating." Sarah ranted about girl code before hanging up. Then she launched a smear campaign, posting that Lauren had been obsessed with me and sabotaged our relationship. She made an Instagram highlight called Deceptions, tagging their mutual friends. She texted me, "Your little fling won't last. Lauren's just using you to hurt me. She's been with half the city. I was testing you and you failed. My mom already picked her mother of the groom outfit. You have 48 hours to beg for me back, or I'm keeping the ring." About that ring, I'd bought it but hadn't proposed. It was still at my place. We didn't live together, thank goodness. Sarah's mom, Linda, called me. "Noah, honey, why are you abandoning my daughter?" I explained Sarah's 24-hour claim and her Instagram post with Derek. Linda said, "That's just her anxiety talking. She didn't mean it." I told her. She posted another guy's back, Linda. "I'm done," she muttered. "You'll never find another girl like her," and hung up. Update 2. Sarah went full scorched earth. She tried to get me fired, calling my company to claim I was slacking off for dates and harassing coworkers. Problem is, I work remotely, and my boss is my cousin, Tim, who's known me forever. Tim called me, wheezing with laughter. She said, "You're creating a toxic masculine environment. You haven't been to the office in 6 months." Next, Sarah pivoted to victim mode, posting about recovering from narcissistic abuse and starting a blog series on spotting manipulators. Her friend Chloe even did a podcast episode about it, hinting at certain people who reveal themselves when rejected. Meanwhile, Lauren and I were catching feelings. Not the rebound nonsense Sarah claimed, real, deep connection. We'd take walks. She'd show me her photography projects, and I'd cook for her. Turns out, I'm decent when someone's not nitpicking my every move. We stayed platonic for 2 weeks, just friends. Then Sarah showed up at Lauren's building at 11 p.m., claiming we were holding her stolen property. Security called up. We saw her on the camera, mascara streaked, clutching a box. Lauren told them not to let her up, but Sarah started yelling about us stealing her grandmother's ashes. Her grandma's alive and well in Miami. She went live on Instagram from the lobby. "I'm here to get my stuff from my best friend who stole my fiancé, and they're calling the cops." About 200 people watched, including her mom, who commented, "Stay strong, sweetie." Cops arrived. Sarah listed her stolen property. Her emotional support hair curler, a sweatshirt she basically owned, 3 years of memories, her future. The officer looked done. "Ma'am, do you have actual property here?" Sarah insisted I was being manipulated. They escorted her out, not arrested, just removed. The live stream caught it all, including her calling the cops tyrants. A viewer named Jake commented, "Didn't you say you'd replace him in 24 hours? It's been 2 weeks, girl." She blocked him mid-broadcast. Update 3. Sarah found out about the ring. My old roommate, Greg, ran into her at a cafe. She played the victim, and Greg, bless his naive heart, mentioned I'd planned to propose before the split. Sarah flipped. She told everyone I'd stolen her engagement and owed her a wedding. She posted a Cash App link for Healing from Broken Dreams, raising $300. Her friends planned a revenge wedding where she'd marry herself to reclaim her strength. Invitations, a registry, everything. Then karma hit hard. Remember Derek, the energy drink guy? He was married. His wife, Megan, saw Sarah's posts and signed her up for every MLM pitch in a 50-mile radius, weight loss shakes, skincare, you name it. Megan also sent Sarah's employer, a PR agency, screenshots of her thirst traps posted during work hours, plus the lobby live stream. Sarah got slapped with a performance review. Meanwhile, Lauren and I went official. No big announcement, just quietly became a couple. But Sarah's other model friend, Tara, spotted us holding hands at a flea market and snitched. Sarah sent a 40-slide PowerPoint to their friend group, titled Why Lauren's a Toxic Friend. It had screenshots from 2019, Lauren saying Sarah's bangs weren't cute, a chart of Lauren's betrayals, like not liking a post quickly enough, and a timeline claiming Lauren plotted to steal me from day one. It included poorly edited photos of Lauren with random guys and a slide, Why I'm the Real Victim, with 15 points. She admitted to lying about her income, bad-mouthing my bedroom skills to boost her side guys' egos, faking a trust fund, and forging a job reference. Her boss saw it. The performance review became a pink slip. Update 4. 6 months later. Sarah's delusion hit new heights. She launched a YouTube channel, Rising After Deception, giving relationship advice. Her first video, How to Spot a Future Betrayer, described her exact behavior but pinned it on me. Comments roasted her. You said you'd replace him in 24 hours, girl. This is lobby livestream lady. The projection's Oscar-worthy. She deleted comments for 3 days, then disabled them. Her self-wedding happened. 12 people showed up, her mom, sister, and some chaos chasers. She wore a $3,000 gown she couldn't afford, vowed to never settle, and danced alone to single ladies. Her cousin, the DJ, posted it on TikTok. It went viral, with edits adding the Curb Your Enthusiasm theme and clips of a sinking ship. The internet is savage. Sarah still couldn't replace me. Every guy lasted 2 weeks max. Her Instagram was a cycle of found my soulmate posts, deleted days later. There was Logan, a crypto bro $50,000 in debt, Mateo, who met her sister, Ryan, who brought his mom on date 3, a guy named Raven who only spoke in affirmations, and a 22-year-old TikToker who called her ma'am in bed. Lauren and I moved in together, got a cat named Muffin, started a balcony herb garden. Simple, happy stuff. Sarah found out via LinkedIn when Lauren updated her address for work. She emailed my mom a 7-page rant about how I was throwing away my future but she'd forgive me if I returned. My mom forwarded it with, this girl needs help. Bring Lauren to dinner. Love you. Final update. Exactly 24 months after Sarah's 24-hour claim, she texted from her 17th new number, I know you'll see this. I'm marrying a doctor next month. He drives a Porsche and owns a mansion. I won. I didn't reply but got curious. The doctor? A med student named Brian. The Porsche? A 2014 model with 120k miles. The mansion? His parents' guest house. But if she's happy, good for her. What she doesn't know, Lauren and I got engaged 2 weeks ago, quietly at the flea market where we had our first date. No posts, just shared with family and close friends. Sarah's mom, Linda, heard through the grapevine and called, asking if we'd do a double wedding to cut costs. I laughed so hard I nearly dropped my phone. Linda, your daughter said she'd replace me in 24 hours. It's been 24 months. She muttered about mistakes and hung up. Sarah's wedding to Brian fell apart. She told him I stole a family heirloom ring, her grandma's alive, and wears her jewelry daily. Brian, a decent guy, went into debt for a 0.5 carat ring because Sarah demanded 2 carats to heal her trauma. Her sister, Claire, spilled the tea to Lauren. Brian found out about the lies last Tuesday. Wedding's off. Sarah's back on apps, bio reading, done with games. Past engagement ruined by a bitter ex and his scheming girlfriend. Need a real man for a real woman. It's been 24 months. She hasn't replaced me. Not because I'm some prize, but because she saw me as a prop, not a person. Lauren and I are planning our spring wedding. Small, intimate, no drama. To those asking why I missed the red flags, I saw them but thought love meant accepting imperfections. There's a difference between flaws and core character issues. Sarah, if you're reading this, Claire says you stalk my Reddit. Your 24 hours expired 730 days ago. Stop chasing placeholders. Brian deserved better than being your status symbol. And Lauren wasn't in love with me to spite you. She loved me despite you. You'll never get that. Peace out. Off to tend my herb garden and snuggle Muffin with my fiancé, who sees me as a human, not a checklist. Edit. Stop asking for Sarah's YouTube. It's gone after the 50th 24-hour girl comment. No brigading. Edit 2. Yes, self-weddings are real. Google it. People are wild. Edit 3. Brian messaged to thank me for dodging a bullet. We're not buddies, but I wished him luck. He's dating a sweet girl from his study group. Sarah posted about disloyalty in healthcare. The saga continues. Edit 4. The herb garden's thriving. Muffin hasn't nibbled it yet. Life's good.